The BATOCA S5 cordless car buffer stands out by offering both rotary and dual-action modes, so it can handle everything from gentle finishing to more aggressive correction with one compact tool. Its cordless design with two interchangeable lithium-ion batteries gives you enough runtime for focused detailing sessions without being tethered to a power outlet. A simple shaft swap lets you change the machine's motion path in only a few seconds, which makes it easy to adapt to different tasks without breaking your workflow. 6 adjustable speed settings spanning from low to very high revolutions per minute allow you to fine-tune power for waxing, polishing, or tackling heavier defects. The included 1-inch and 3-inch backing plates, along with the lightweight body, make this polisher especially effective for tight areas such as badges, wheel spokes, and intricate trim. A generous kit of pads, sandpaper, accessories, and a carrying bag means you can start detailing immediately without hunting for extra supplies.